I'll go ahead and start with low E string. Start with open. Make sure you play it, and you can kind of, if you choose to sing it, go ahead and listen to the note. Da, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And then I'll go backwards. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4. Switch to the octave. 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So that was on the low E string. I'll go ahead and go a little bit quicker on the following strings. Here goes A string. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6. That was A string. Moving on to D string. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You go back out. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And moving on to G string. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 6, 5. That was G string. Moving on to B string. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7. And that was B string. Here's a high E string. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And that was the high E string. Let me go ahead and demonstrate exploring the different expression techniques. For this one, I'll stay in C major scale and I'll go ahead and choose the B string. So starting with the hammer-on. Now, if you think about a hammer-on, is lower fret going into a higher fret. So when you pick a fret, I'll go ahead and pick the second degree. In this case is the note D, the third fret on the B string. My next degree is the third, and I know that second to the third degree is whole step apart. So I know I need to go hammer onto the 2 frets forward. You can do the same from a root, the 1 to 2, Same for 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. And you could do also hammer-on, where the degrees are half step apart, namely 3 to 4, then 7 to 1. So I would recommend sit on each techniques for a solid minute so you get comfortable with the technique. Now here's the pull-off. I'm imagining the same thing, but just backwards in terms of the degree. So I'll go from a 3 to 2, 2 to 1. Okay, 4 to 3 is half step. 5 to 4, whole step. 6 to 5, whole step. 7 to 6 is a whole step. Then 1 to 7, half step. So those hammer-on and pull-offs require some knowledge. So when you set up, you know exactly which fingers to set up with. Now here's a demonstration on slide. So with slide, you could practically go from 1 degree to any degree. So for this one, I'll start with the root. Slide into the second. Root to 3. Root to 4. Root to 5. And from there, you could mix it up if you like. And you could go backwards. And you could do consecutive slides like that. Here is the next technique, bend. Bending requires you to understand the interval relationships, because when you bend, you're making the pitch go higher. Now, whole step, I could experiment from 2nd degree going into the 3rd. And a tip I could give you is you could actually start with your target pitch, in this case, my 3rd degree, and use that as a guide to how far you would bend. Bending is all about pitch, so be mindful of how you hear the pitch. And if I were to demonstrate a half step bend, I would choose a degree that's half step apart together, namely 3 to 4. So here's my 4th degree. And I'm bending from the 3rd degree. Okay, another half step intervals are the 7 to the 1. So I'll check my root first. And then bend from 7th degree. Like that. Now with vibrato, you could do a stationary note. Again, you could mix and match with different techniques when you do vibrato. There's really no set in stone rule of when you could do it and when not to do it. So definitely experiment for yourself. But for this purpose, I'll go ahead and just play a stationary note. And then add the vibrato. The technique for the vibrato is you want to catch the string fairly lightly and almost you're shaking your wrist side to side. Try not to, shake the guitar, the fretboard, or try not to, just move the fingers. It should be a relaxed motion. Okay, here's the 3rd degree vibrato. And also I would experiment with, different speed of vibrato. So you could do a fast one, or you could do a slow one. And those are all the expression techniques I would explore if I were you.